Okay, The End of the World. This is, of course, the great 60s tune. Um, I'm going to give a really quick tutorial, not too detailed, just the chords. The reason I did this in D was to get that kind of birds-like, 60s, that jangly thing. So almost all the changes are right out of, all the fingering is right out of the chords. For example, when it starts, why do the birds go on singing? So that's D to A7, right? All these hammer-ons. Then B minor. Just go up to G there. That's F sharp minor. So that's. Now I'm playing E minor. Just a little triad there. G, B, E. Don't say no. Up to F sharp minor. End of the world to B7. So that's B7, E minor or A7. You, A7, love me anymore. A7. So that's it. B minor, E minor. That's F sharp to B7, F sharp minor. And then E minor there. There you go. And the bridge is a G, just a G arpeggio. Back to D. That's G, just a simple G. Starting the B note. Up in the morning and I wonder. E minor to A. Everybody be the same. Now we're going back to the F sharp minor and B. Can't understand. Then back to E minor to A. You don't love me anymore. So the bridges. So that's kind of quick and dirty of the tune. I've been doing so many videos in my van that I've kind of let the music slide. I'm going to be posting several more in the next few days that I've worked up, but I just never recorded. Plus, I figured out how to reverse the image on my phone so it comes out right. Anyway, Happy New Year, everybody. Next time.